What's good, guys? We're going to talk about my tackle, the tackle I bring and use. We're going to talk about some tackle I made myself. I didn't really make this. I just got bored and just threw something together. It's trash. I made this one. It's a just regular skirt from a spinner, pipe cleaner, and a jig. I didn't actually make this. I found it. Let's put that back in there. I made another one. Oh, forget it. I made it's basically the same one as this one, but it's a lot heavier. This one with a bigger jig head, bigger hook. Put that right there. No, put this in this one. Put that right there. I made a really heavy one. That's I can use for flipping and pitching. Skirt. You could put. It's just enough hook for a small piece of bait if you want it. Put these ones up. This is a small panfish box. Hooks, weights, swivels, small plastics right here. Jig heads, the spinners, the weights, and some small floating baits I made. Let's get one out. It's just a regular hook pipe cleaner. There's another one. They're all green. Others are green. I only have one red. To the side. I'm hasting through this because I'm only at 2 minutes. I can only make it a 15-minute video. I didn't get my account verified. Alright. This one's my swim bait box. There's some swim baits in it. Range from realistic to cartoony, kind of. This is a bluegill swim bait. It's pretty big. I don't recommend using a light rod for it. I'd use a heavy rod for it. This one right here, I'd use an ultralight one for. They're made by Yum, I think. This one's a neon, white and neon swim bait. Much more realistic one, like yellow perch. Swim bait made by Yum. Little propellers to a small little rattle trap. I don't even know what the hell it is. Some 4/0 and 3/0 hooks, weighted and non-weighted. I forgot to. Don't want to open this too loud. My dog's in the back watching some Family Guy. Well, he's asleep. He's Mimi's right now. Here's my little other bluegill box. This is bluegill / bass because I only have those 3 small swim baits in it. Got the small grubs, 2 little bobbers, the jigs right here. Put it this way so you can see better. The small jig heads, a few plastics right there. I don't even know why I'm going fast. Plastics. I'm giving most of my plastics away to my best friend Brandon. Ugh, I gotta get a haircut. Man, fuck it. Alright, these are the plastics I always use. I never really catch fish on them. I just like to fish with them. I got some Cabin Creek. Well, this is a Cabin Creek package, but these are Mismo worms. Dark earth and blue mint. This one's a blue. This is a 2.75 Junior Express Crawl. Green, pumpkin, blue, and copper. Squirrel tail worms made by Big Bite. Yeah, the SS Shad. I feel like I got something stuck in my throat. This is the Yum Senko. The Yum Dinger June Bug. It's all black with a blue flake with it. This one is a made by Strike King Senkos. The Baby Bass Shimmy Sticks. Get a bigger look at that. I'll talk about rods in another video. There we go. I'll talk about rods in another video, but not right now because I need to get this done first. And on to my small box of baits. And these are the baits that have those propellers in them. Boom. I have my deep diving crankbaits, top water baits, and those weird baits right here. I'll assemble one of those in a minute. Got some treble hooks right here, some ultralight here. Get a better view of it. That's all the small tackle, or the small crankbaits that I have. I'm gonna get one of the, let me fix my tripod. Come on, fix me. That's my light source. It's pretty powerful. Boom. I'll get this crawfish one out. It should be over here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Uh-oh. Just get the propeller. You push it in. It's not clicking in for a second. Oh, it's because the wrong way. Just click it in, and this spins. Spins in the water. Don't know why. Looks cool. I've never had or seen crankbaits like these. Nice big treble hook. It's kind of like a triangle bill. Never seen that before. Kind of wicked. Thankful my friend Clayton gave them to me. I've got that one. Got a green one, bass imitation. Then I've got like a shad kind of. Excuse me. Put that back in that box. Come on. Oh, this is my favorite crankbait, deep diving crankbait that I don't use a lot. I like it though. It's my second one. I catch good bass on it, like 14 inches. Moving into my micro jigs, got a top water, and I got a stick bait. I've caught a lot of fucking fish on this one, as you can tell. The paint has been chipped. Got some spoons. Got a small square bill. Then I've got a rattle trap. Then I've got my top waters. This is a live target bluegill and a top water baby bass made by H2O Express. Alright, and we're gonna head into trying to get this quickly as wrapped up as possible. Let's get to 7 minutes. Now all I gotta do is just show you my main box I use. I think y'all have seen these ones here. Let me back up on my stool. This one I just got. Damn it! This is the deep diving made by. I forgot who it was made by. It was made by Live Target. Yeah, it was deep diving yellow perch. Deep diving stick bait. I think it's made by Rebel. The trout lure from a Lucky Tackle Box video. It's on my channel. Threadfin shad, which came from a Lucky Tackle Box, but I didn't do a video on it. I'll start doing videos on the Lucky Tackle Boxes. Crazy looking stick bait. Some naked spinner baits without the skirt. Got a black and blue jig, which I need to start using. A hook. I got this in a Lucky Tackle Box. If y'all do Lucky Tackle Box, y'all should have gotten this. It's a hookless jig, black and orange. Here I did not like this one at all. I think I might give this one away on my channel. It's a weightless jig, which I do not like. Can't even cast it. I've tried and tried, but it doesn't go that far. Maybe not with my rod. I've tried casting with the bait caster and the spinning reel. I guess that concludes all my tackle. Pilot on high. To me, this is a lot of tackle. To my friends, this is a lot of tackle. But to pros, this ain't shit. And that's it. Oh, and I've got a couple more seconds for a couple more things. My bag, especially. Got some thread I need to throw away. Just some regular stuff. Mosquito repellent. This is my fishing bag made by Rebel. I like it. I bet you would too. But I want to upgrade another one. One of the cool ones are like a cooler, but bag. So I want to... Alright, that concludes my tackle video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed it. That just concludes it all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.